sometimes banana bread can be a little naughty. Lots of butter in it, lots and lots of sugar. But Dom, ambassador and chef of Light and Easy, is here to show us a healthier version.
Yeah, so look, the chefs and dietitians at Light and Easy really go to great lengths to make their meals as healthy as they are delicious, especially when it comes to the sweet treats. So this is a banana and apple bread. So what I'm going to get you to do is blend these two bananas. So we want just basically mashed bananas.
Yes.
And then we're going to go in with just simply egg whites.
Yes.
So again, kind of cutting down the fat by not having whole eggs. The secret ingredient we're going to be adding though is some chia seeds.
Oh.
So the chia seeds actually give the bread some extra fibre, but also act as a really fantastic binding agent.
It sort of
starts to swell and creates that gel. Yeah, exactly.
So I'll just puree this.
So Justine, next is the egg whites. So pop those in. Got a little bit of skim milk, a small amount of sugar.
Okay. In it goes.
Chia seeds. So Manuka honey, we just want small teaspoons. We've already got a little bit of sweetness from the sugar in there. And also we've got the banana and the apple. So we're all recommended to eat 2 serves of fruit each day. So this is a great recipe. And also just a little bit of spice. We're using some cinnamon, which is really nice and warming.
Cinnamon in.
So you want to just blend that together for a minute or so. While you're doing that, I'm going to combine the self-raising flour. And for extra fibre as well, we're just using some wheat germ. Mix that together.
Okay. It's going to give it a nice texture to the wheat germ.
A lovely texture. Yeah. So then we can just gradually fold in the flour and wheat germ.
Okay, so just little by little.
Little by little, that's perfect. This is a really great bread to make too, and then slice and freeze it so that you've got it in the freezer and you can just pull a piece out.
Just toast it lightly.
Yeah. Exactly. Delicious. That's perfect, Justine. Okay, so now we add the pureed apples.
Okay.
And the apples are a great substitute for butter because they're giving the bread that lovely moisture without adding extra fat.
I love how you've just left it slightly chunky too, so we'll get tiny little bits of it in the loaf. Lid on, and just, I guess this is just
to kind of fold it through. Perfect.
Done.
Into our greased our loaf tin.
And how long is this cooking for?
And 180 degree oven for about 50 minutes.
Okay. This banana bread look fantastic.
Banana and apple bread.
Oh, of
Don't
course.
forget
How
the
can I
apples.
forget? In saying that, we should slice into this just to see the apples and the banana in there.
Absolutely. So let's just
Speckles
put a
of
couple
cinnamon.
Little slices.
Oh, great.
And Justine, so easy. But look, if you are short on time, you can enjoy treats like this and others as part of the meal plan, and Light and Easy will deliver them directly to your door, so you don't even need to do the baking.
Absolutely. And what I love about this is it's nice and moist. It's not dry.
Delicious, isn't it?
We're just missing a cup of tea.